In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share documents with team members in Stack. Sharing documents in Stack is an efficient and straightforward process, perfect for collaborating with your team seamlessly. Let's break it down step by step so you can ensure your projects are accessible to the right people whenever necessary. First, you need to log into Stack. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Stack login page. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, it might be a good idea to do so, as you'll likely visit this page often. Once you're there, click on the Login with Google button. This option is incredibly convenient if you use Google's suite of tools, as it cuts down on remembering yet another password. After you've clicked on Login with Google, you'll be asked to select the Google account you wish to use. If you're already signed in elsewhere, your account should be visible. Just click on the account linked to your Stack profile, and you'll be instantly logged in. Now that you're logged into Stack, the next step is to access your project. Simply navigate over to the Projects section of the app. You should see a list of all the projects you're involved in. Find the project you wish to share and click on it. This is where you'll start the sharing process. Within your project, look for the Share button. It's typically situated around the project's toolbar, making it easy to find. Click on Share to bring up the sharing options. Once the Share menu is open, you'll need to enable project sharing. This is done by toggling the project sharing option. Activating this feature generates a shareable link unique to your project. It's important to remember that anyone with this link can access the project, so ensure you only share it with those you trust or need to collaborate with. With sharing enabled, you'll now see an option to copy the link. Clicking on Copy will place this link onto your clipboard, ready to be distributed to your team. Finally, click on Close to exit the sharing menu. Now that you have your link copied, you can paste it into an email, instant message, CRM, or any other communication tool you prefer. This flexibility is excellent for adapting to whichever digital environment your team uses. Whether you're sending it out in a casual Slack message or including it in a professional email, your team will have access with a simple click. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily and effectively share your Stack documents with team members, streamlining collaboration and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.